afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at the Richmond County Airport where this Saturday, May the 20th, the 2023 Spring Slam will be underway at 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. This is the annual car show, and there will be vendors along with lots of cars and food here at Richmond County Airport. You can see more information about this event on the event page on Facebook. Just look up Spring Slam 2023. That will be located here at the Richmond County Airport this Saturday, May the 20th. Before Saturday, we have more fun here in town. The circus is back again tonight. That is the Zerbini Family Circus that will be at Rockingham Speedway. You can find out more information on the Rockingham Speedway website or look up the Zerbini Family Circus. They will be there tonight, tomorrow night, and Saturday night will be the last chance for you to see the live circus here in Rockingham at Rockingham Speedway. Tomorrow, we have a lot going on. The Sandhills Trail Ride will start. That is the annual trail ride that takes place in the Game Land. That information is available online, and there's also a Facebook event. Eric Hawks will be live in Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, and the town of Ellerbe is going to have a music event with special guest JDMT performing. They will have food vendors and more. That starts at 5 p.m. and that is downtown in Ellerbe. There's more information, and the flyer is on the Visit Richmond County Facebook page as well. You can also find this information on our weekly newsletter that includes links to everything that is on there to give you more information about all of the many events we have going on coming up in the future, and especially this weekend. Also Friday the 19th, that evening, it will be a jazz night with a steak dinner at Buie's Cotton Gin Restaurant in Hamlet. And MANCUP will kick off at Rockingham Dragway for a weekend-long event. You can also look up Rumble at the Rock, which is the group that organizes the MANCUP race that will be there this weekend. That's on the Rockingham Dragway website and Facebook page. On Saturday, May the 20th, in addition to the Spring Slam here at Richmond County Airport, the Rockingham Farmers Market will be downtown Rockingham. There will be a gun run at DeWitt's Outdoor Sports in Ellerbe. There will be a blasting cast event at Crystal Dawn Retreat. Ideal Farms in Hamlet will have a vintage market and also a pet adoption event. Also in Hamlet, for the animals, Operation Fix will host a brunch and bingo. And at Fox Road Farm, they will have a spring vendor event. Information for all of these events is available online. Also, the Sandhills Trail Ride will be going on at the Game Land in Huffman. On Tuesday, May the 23rd, Rockingham Dragway will have their first $10 Tuesday. There's an event page on Facebook that will give you more information, and also on their website. That Thursday will be the Business After 5 event. That is sponsored by the City of Rockingham and Richmond County Chamber of Commerce and hosted at Rockingham Dragway. This event will feature live music with Eric Hawks and food. We invite you all to come out at 5:30 next Thursday, 1 week from today, on May the 25th, to enjoy fellowship with our friends, network with businesses, see all of the updates at Rockingham Dragway, and even take some passes down the track. Everyone is encouraged to bring whatever vehicle you would like to see go down the newly repaved surface at Rockingham Dragway. More information about this event is available on the Facebook page or Facebook event page on Rockingham Dragway's Facebook page, Richmond County Chamber of Commerce, City of Rockingham, and Visit Richmond County. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, our website where you can subscribe to our blog, that is visitrichmondcounty.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and also on Twitter. And if you have an event you want to make sure is featured on our weekly events video and on our social media platforms and website, you can email us at visitrichmondcountync@gmail.com. I hope to see you around town at all of these fun events this weekend. If not, I will definitely see you next week.